Saturday, June 15th. It's been raining, so you know what that means. The dryer's broke. Gotta get in here and fix this thing again. First thing you want to do is clear out the area all around there. Get everything away from it. Hopefully your plug's up here where you can reach it. Unplug that. That's important. Get that unplugged and put the plug over there where it won't fall down. Now we got to get your get all the stuff out of the dryer, and hopefully it's not mildewed. But here we got 2 screws up there we got to take out first. So once you've unplugged your dryer and located those 2 screws up underneath there and removed those, set those off to the side over there in the windowsill. All right, then you can lift this panel up here and remove that. It slides over to one side. I can't remember. I think it was this one. Slide that over to your left as you're facing the machine. That top will pop right off of there like that, lickety split. All right, now you're going to want to come on in here, and there's a couple screws right there, and there's another one right over there, and that's going to allow the front to drop away and the basket to come out and the belt to release, and we'll cover all that later maybe if this video doesn't get cut off. All right, then the front of the machine is going to drop away and the basket will no longer be supported, and you got to be careful because you got these wires down here. You don't want to break anything off. Actually, we should probably go by and try to unplug those. Get this plastic thing out of here. Relieve some of the pressure on that. So there we go. That'll be better. There, it can just... Now we're going to have to unplug that. Hang on. All right, that just clipped right off of the blade there. There's a little blade connector, so that short wire just plugs onto that. And while you're in here, you can get the vacuum cleaner out and vacuum all that stuff out of there. So I guess it's good that you have to tear this thing apart every 6 months. Oh, and when you pull these screws out, be careful not to drop them. But if you do, they're probably right down there somewhere. All right, it's going to be better if you just disconnect all those wires. Try to remember where they go, whatever. Because you're going to need to get that whole front off here. Now we're going to have to pull the basket out, or the drum out.